Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys a watch that I have been given the opportunity to share with you guys and actually sell. This is a watch that my coworker has given me on loan, and so he's kind of lost his love for some of the larger watches. Not that he doesn't wear his INVICTAs anymore or his other watches, but some of the watches he just kind of has sitting around. So the other day I've been trying to unload some of his older Android watches, and if you're not familiar with Android or Aragon, Android is I guess the first company from Aragon watches, Wings company. So they must have had some kind of name dispute. I believe Android or Google actually bought the name or the rights to the name. Don't quote me on that, but that's a story I've been told from Wing, and they changed the name from Android and rebranded, and now their company is called Aragon Watches. And if you guys haven't watched me for a while, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Aragon. You get a lot of watch for your money, fantastic timepieces. And I actually own this watch that I'm about to show you. My dad owns this watch, and this is one of the first watches that got me into other watches or into the Android name. My dad, my amazing father, never buys himself really anything, and he picked one up in a blue face, and I liked it so much after getting involved in INVICTAs. I said, man, this is a great brand too. And so he was nice enough to get me one. And then my coworker liked it, Scotty, and he went ahead and picked one up. But he doesn't wear his anymore. He's kind of shifted his I guess, passion more for firearms and weapons and stuff like that. So he's keeping some of his INVICTAs, but getting rid of some ones he just isn't really going to wear much anymore. So I did sell the Parma the other day to an awesome gentleman on Facebook. Hope he's going to enjoy that. He's a real Android collector. He would have bought this, but he doesn't have, or he has this already in his collection. So without further ado, this is the Android Silverjet. Now they still make this under the Aragon name. However, the band is completely different. And they make several variations of this. This is one of my favorite watches by Android or Aragon. I own personally this one in the black face, and then I own about 4 Silverjets under the Aragon name. It's one of my favorites. They're always doing something cool with the band, and this one here, you cannot get this any longer. If you are going to try to add this to your collection, you're going to have to find it used, and I will tell you that if you are in the market for older Android watches, this is a great find because this is in mint condition. You have just a few minor scrapes. I mean, they're hardly even noticeable on the back of the band. It's almost 99% perfect. No deep scratches. This thing is absolutely flawless for the most part. So let's talk a little about the watch. You have what they call a case and cradle design. This is a 50mm timepiece made of surgical grade 316L stainless steel. You have a unidirectional rotating bezel for you guys who need to hear the bezel click. And the lighting right now is a little bit funny right in front of me. I'm using a new umbrella light. I'm trying to get used to it. This is actually a purple face. And what I want to do is just bear with me a second. Hey Google. Hey Google. Turn off the desk lights. Sorry if you have a Google Home and I just activated yours, but you'll live. So anyway, so this is hopefully a better idea of what the face looks like. On camera here, it's almost looking more of like a blue, but it is a royal purple. And what's probably happening there is it's a combination of the light and the camera, and of course probably the lens. I'm not really sure, but it does kind of change color from sort of like a slight blue to purple. But when you look at it straight on, you're definitely gonna see kind of like a royal purple. That thing's been acting up lately. It's annoying. Alright, so a little bit more about the watch. You have a case and cradle design. You can see the case inside, what they call the cradle. It's sandwiched between these two thick pieces of 316L stainless steel. You have your screw down case back. This beautiful awesome looking band. I love the Aragon bands. They've done some really amazing bands. I don't like some of the watches are a little bit more plain, but when it comes to the Silverjet and the Millipede, they've really knocked it out of the park with this one here. I'm surprised they haven't made this band on any of their newer Silverjets under the Aragon name. So, but this is definitely one to add to your collection. The band is unlike anything that I've ever seen on a watch. Very cool. Each one is actually a threaded screw, so very easy to size yourself. Each link is sizable, so if you have a very small wrist, you can get this down to a very small size. Just an awesome looking watch. Screw down crown, you have your crown guard on the side here, kind of part of the case. Just a great watch. I always get a compliment when I wear this. I have this again in the gold and the yellow gold, but not under the old school Aragon or Android name. So if you're an Android collector and you want to pick up a watch, let me tell you guys, I see a lot of this stuff every now and then. I see this stuff on eBay, or you see lots of watches on eBay, and a lot of times when you buy something used, it's pretty hard to find something in this kind of condition. He obviously didn't wear this very much. So beautiful looking watch, and this is pre-sized to a 6.5, 7-inch wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist. I'll show you what it looks like on me. You can get a little bit tighter with the micro adjustments, but this is what it's sized to right now. On me, it's a little bit tight, but it's still a snug fit. I can definitely wear it and pull it off. It's still comfortable. It's not going to cause me any kind of discomfort. I do like to wear it just a teeny bit looser, but probably one link would be perfect for me, then using the micro adjustments. But it is absolutely a fantastic watch. Beautiful design. Great looking timepiece. Only thing with this one here, and this is for sale, I will put a link in the description if I decide to list it on eBay. Otherwise, you can get directly through me via PayPal, as long as you have a confirmed shipping address or a confirmed account with PayPal. Price on this here, I think fair on this. I've been looking on eBay for what they sell for. I think a fair price of this, because you cannot get it anymore, is going to be $150. That will be shipped to your door. If you feel like you want to make me an offer, go ahead and I can run that by my friend. But definitely a fair price. Definitely what the cost was when I believe when he bought it. And you know, you can't get them anymore. They made them in several different colors. And guys, if you're an Android or Aragon collector, stuff like this is very, very hard to come by. So definitely pick it up if you're interested. Drop me a comment. I'll get back to you. Or you can email me at phatkatcollections@gmail.com. But dropping the comments is usually the best and fastest way for me to get back to you. A little about the watch, it's powered by a Japanese Miyota 2036 quartz movement. You will need to replace the battery. That's the only thing. Battery is like $7. It's a piece of cake. You can do it yourself or take it to a watch guy. Nothing special about the battery. For the company of the movement is, of course, Japan. 18 millimeters in K thickness, so it has a nice tall presence on the wrist. Not over the top, but still 18 is a really good size there. 1 millimeter shorter than your Grand Octane or Grand Arsenal. 8 inches in band length on size. I do believe there are some links that come with this. Let me double check here. Yeah, he has the links here. 1, 2, 3, 4 more links that come with this here. So if you have a slightly larger wrist, you can size this. If you have a wrist larger than 8 inches, I don't think you're going to be able to put that many links in. I'd probably say max 7.5 inches. 1,650 feet of water resistance, 24 millimeters in band width. And of course, 11 ounces in unsized weight, hardened mineral crystal, again, screw down crown, and your 316L stainless steel. So just a great piece, guys. Let me know if you're interested. I want to go ahead and put it on YouTube, not only to share it with you guys again, because I've shared mine in the past with you guys, but to also let you guys know, again, if you guys want to make a purchase on this, and you're an Aragon or Android collector, don't hesitate. This one is in, I mean, almost mint condition. So fantastic. If you are interested in the 3-slot box, this did come with it as well. If you are interested in this, go ahead and drop me a comment as well. And he's letting these go for like 20 bucks. So, and if you find, like I said, if you guys find there's always deals popping up out there. I will put a link to eBay again if I do decide to put this on eBay, or put a link to where you can kind of price shop and compare. No offers. You know, you can put any offer on the table, but let's be realistic. You know, going rate on these $120, $140. It's a great value, it's a great watch, and you guys will really like it. So, once again, guys, if you like the channel, subscribe, click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you guys are interested in other Android watches, this is another awesome piece that I will be doing another video on, and I'll probably put these on eBay. It's probably the easiest way to sell these. This is your full yellow gold automatic NH35 Aragon Enforcer. Nice deep dish on this. This is a great looking timepiece. Only thing with this, it is fully mirror polished. You are going to have some light scratches in the band. I can send you guys pictures if you want to get some more close-ups. So don't hesitate to ask. Guys, thanks again for watching, and you guys have a wonderful evening. Take care.